Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that's reshaping the way we think about food lab-grown meat. Imagine a future where our protein doesn't come from farms but from science labs. A future where meat is not raised but grown. This isn't a sci-fi movie, this is the reality of lab-grown meat. Lab-grown meat, also known as cultured or cell-based meat, is creating waves in the world of agriculture and food technology. But what exactly is it and how does it work? Unlike traditional farming, lab-grown meat is produced by cultivating animal cells in a controlled environment, bypassing the need for raising and slaughtering animals. Now you may wonder how this futuristic food comes to be. Let's break it down. The process starts with a small sample of cells, usually taken painlessly from a living animal. These cells are rich in protein and have a remarkable ability to regenerate. They're placed into a culture medium, a cocktail of nutrients that mimics the natural conditions inside an animal's body. With the right blend of nutrients, temperature, and pH, these cells start to multiply and form muscle tissue. This is the same kind of muscle tissue that makes up the steaks and burgers we're familiar with. This production method, called tissue engineering, is a game changer. It's a process that takes place entirely in a lab without any need for pastures, feed, or slaughterhouses. Producing meat in a lab requires significantly less land, water, and produces fewer greenhouse gas emissions compared to conventional farming. One of the key advantages of lab-grown meat is its potential to address environmental concerns associated with traditional livestock farming. This innovative process requires considerably less land and water and produces fewer greenhouse gases, making it a sustainable alternative to conventional farming. In terms of health benefits, lab-grown meat is produced in controlled environments, reducing the risk of contaminants. Moreover, it provides the opportunity to tailor the nutritional content of the meat to our needs. However, the ethical considerations cannot be overlooked. While reducing our reliance on traditional farming could result in less animal suffering, there are ongoing discussions about the ethical implications of using animal cells to create meat. The lab-grown meat industry is still in its infancy, but it's gaining momentum. Major players in the food industry are investing heavily in research and development. As technology continues to evolve and production costs decrease, we might see lab-grown meat becoming a common item on our dinner plates. And that wraps up our exploration into lab-grown meat. We've learned that it's a revolutionary method of producing meat with potential environmental, health, and ethical benefits. However, it's still in its early stages, and discussions around its implications are ongoing. So, what do you think? Is lab-grown meat the future of food? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay curious.